For starters, you can see we have an old clay pipe, which can be determined by the orange-red color on the walls of the pipe. And we also have a good amount of root intrusion growing from the bottom of this section of pipe. As we continue on further down the pipe, we see continued roots growing from the side at the joints. And as we approach 15 feet, you can see approximately 75% of the pipe is actually covered throughout with root intrusion. This particular sewer line we've been attempting to clear for many years. For one reason or another, this property owner has not been interested in replacing the pipe and has opted to continue to clear the pipe. It's important to understand that this is not going to last forever, and at some point the pipe is going to reach the point of failure, which the property owner will have no choice but to replace the entire clay sewer line with brand new extra heavy cast iron pipe. If you're experiencing a similar issue, it's important to contact a licensed plumber, understand the pros and cons of replacing the pipe versus continuing to clear it with a snake. There are financial aspects to consider in addition to the possibility of an all-out sewage failure and emergency if you continue to let the roots grow.
Make sure to like and subscribe to catch all our videos in the future.